We're recording, folks, and here we are sitting in classroom 544 looking at 1C from your Unit 7 review. And what makes this problem a little more difficult than 1B? It has 4 terms. It's third degree. It has an x cubed instead of an x squared. And is there a constant at the end of it? Yes, so that you can't just factor out the x like we did in 1B. So what we need to do is realize that if this is a third degree function, it's probably going to split up into how many factors? 3. Something like that. So we're looking for 3 roots. And there probably won't be an A. Let me rephrase that. There won't be an A. A is 1. Because in front of this x cubed, you don't see a coefficient, so that tells you A is 1. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay? Now, to factor this, you can do the whole rational root theorem and make a listing of all your potential roots, and then look for them on the graphing calculator. Well, since Q is just 1, the potential roots are going to be P over Q, and they're all going to be something over 1, right? P over Q. The Q's are just 1. So what are the factors of 30? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. So there's a lot of roots, right? Potential roots, potential suspects. But, and how many were there? 8? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10. There are 10. Well, there's actually 20 because not only are they all potential roots, but all their negative twins. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. 8. Thanks. 8. So how many are there total? 16. Thank you for clarifying that. So let's take a peek at the calculator and see what we're looking at. So we have x cubed minus 10x squared, thank you, plus 31x minus 30. We're hoping to see 3 roots. Let's see if they're all on the screen. Ready? Zoom 6. It looks like maybe 2, 3, and 5 are the roots. Well, let's check by going to, like, the videotape. You know how they can look back at the crime scene to see if that person was caught on tape? Well, let's actually see if trace 2, enter, is a suspect. Not only a suspect, guilty, right? 2 is indeed a 0. Is 3? Yes. 5? Yes. If those are the 3 roots, then we're done. What you might do is you might graph this in Y1 and graph the original in Y2. Make one bold, make one light, and then see if they're the same. We were just talking about what the potential roots are. When we graphed them, we did confirm that 2, 3, and 5, which they were part of our list, right? Suspects, they were the guilty parties. Yes. You could look at the table as well. You could see that 2 produces 0, 3 produces 0, and 5.